Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to be trying the dip powder I bought from AliExpress, and we're doing this in the color dark brown. So I'll get my nail and come in with one coat of base gel polish. I would incure it, then I will cover it with the powder. After which I'll cure it under the UV for about 60 seconds. So I'll repeat this 3 times. I'll brush off any excess dust and I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. So here we are. Do you prefer this to the regular gel polish? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.